Fragz here, and ElectriC MagZ here, and we are playing White Noise Online here, and we are going to find some tapes here, and we're going to get our jump here, cookies off here, and we're one two bitches here, and I'm by myself here, and stop following me.
Ah, Thunder!
Okay, don't look. Don't look. Shit. It's, backing up.
Where'd you go? I don't know where I'm going. I'm by the mummy exhibit.
I'm by myself.
Go to the. Everybody meet at.
It's too dangerous to go alone. Adam, did you die too, Adam? What the fuck? I don't know what's killing me. Shit, dude, I don't know what's killing me.
I don't know.
Dude, I don't know what's killing me.
I don't know either.
Dude, do not
green
go
thing.
in that room. Holy
Green
shit.
fuck. Where are you? No, you're not.
Wow, it's too dangerous to go alone.
Oh god, jeez.
Shit, dude, everywhere I go.
That's wrong way, dipshit.
I'm about dead again.
No, there's not. No, there's not! How do I pick it up?
Hey. What the fuck? There's bloody footprints right there. Okay, I'm in the mummy exhibit.
Hey!
Adam, please stop dying. I actually didn't try to die, I just did. I was trying
You
to
died?
Yeah!
Wow.
I was looking up at the sky in the corner and all of a sudden he killed me.
What's that? I haven't seen anything, like...
Here, there's a tape. There's a tape
I
by
have
me.
a feeling you're gonna scare me too.
There's a tape by me.
What if they stare at the green guy?
Mm-mm.
But like, what'll happen?
There's a green guy here. Big green penis.
What are you doing?
Me?
I don't know.
Ew, this thing looks like a penis. Sometimes, dude, there's people that look like, there's random people around that look like ghosts. They just sit there, too. Hey, Adam? Or Kyle? They just sit there.
I can hear something.
Sometimes there's just ghosts that stare at the wall. And they look like one of the characters in the game, too. Okay?
They're a reporter.
They look like something, they look like one of the characters in the game. Sometimes they slowly look at you.
Everybody charge your warning.
They sit at weird places, too. Yeah. That's where they live.
What are you doing?
Adam, there's a weird ghost in this room, Adam.
That's you, Adam, right? That's right by me.
Adam, shut up. Yes, it is. They can't follow you. They stand still.
Whoa, what the fuck was that?
Why?
Ah! Shit!
Don't die. Don't try to die.
God. God.